Motor. Walking again. Walk. Near now. Walking na ko. Near na. Nagtouch na ako ng kinyang. Walking again. 49 pesos. Green Smart. Saan? Hindi kita. Ayun. Dexterville ba? Dexterville na. See? Dexterville. Walking. Hi, doggy. Hi, doggy. Hi. Kamukha mo si ano. Ano kamukha mo? Pinakuha ni Mama Papi. Kamukha niya. Si Tanggol. You see, babe? She looks like Tanggol. Bakit si Tanggol yun? But why not growing? Still like that size. Yung size niya not growing. He didn't becoming tall. He didn't becoming big. Same size. Since Mama found him outside, so I think it's not Tanggol. And looks alike. Oh yeah. Oh, very dark naman dito. Oh nako. Walking. Oh nako. I'm too much sweating. My back is too wet. It's too wet. I'm here na in pit stop. lights. Pure gold. And then animal clinic at the other side. And then what's that? Open 24 hours. Then this way. And gas station yung Eagle Oil. Close now. LTO close now also. Hey, doggy. Doggy. Hi, doggy. Hi, doggy. Did you see doggy? Ito, Bilya Kylie. Ito. I'm near. Little near. I'm near. I'm near. Ayun. Ayun. I'm near. That's why I'm taking a video because I'm near. I'm near. Love, I'm near. Wala pa pala ako sa sunrise. It should be sunrise first before Parklane. It's okay. I'm near. Becoming dark again. But there it's not dark. Only this side. Oh. Whew. Motor ka. Why you're looking at me? What's your problem, huh? Oh, and then he stopped. He's waiting for me. Huh? Why? Bakit? Maybe look. Someone is waiting. Eh, cannot be. But I will not go in that side. Because I know he's waiting. You can see later when I pass. Coming. Yes. Here. Sunrise na. See mo po. Sunrise na. See, may motor doon. Cannot see. He's waiting. Then, waiting siya. Lucky because there's a guard dun sa sunrise. Yung motor waiting at me. Looking at me and then waiting. He didn't go on that side. Kala niya, merong guard dun. We cannot do anything. Then I'm here now also in Sabang. Barangay Hall. Oh, looks like he's coming. Oh, he's waiting again. Huh? Why? Why he's waiting again? Oh. another side. I cannot show you kasi another side. Don't know how to put at the back. Yeah, tapakan ka pa tuloy yung pupo. Yak in. See? 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 You see mo to? See? Waiting again there. See? But I will go in another side. Barangay. Sabang. Ano yun? Sabang. Sabang barangay. Sabang barangay. Waiting, always waiting. Tricycle. Okay. I will ride tricycle na baby lang. Sorry na ako. Ayun na. Tricycle. Later again. Bye.